Ancient leaders who knew the way did not use it to help the people gain awareness. They kept the people in unawareness. Perhaps those leaders noticed that when people can think for themselves, they are harder to control and manage. Leaders who use cleverness like this cheat those they are leading. However, leaders who share without clever motives benefit the people and also their country or organization. Knowing when to share and when to withhold is understanding how to use the subtle powers of life. The power of integrity is deep and far-reaching. It leads one toward being in harmony with the way of life. Hundreds of streams flow down to the sea because the sea is lower than the streams. And wise ones know how to use the skill of staying low. To guide people, they serve with humility. To lead, they notice people's direction and tendencies. In this way, people will not feel dominated or oppressed, and they will be grateful for someone who does not harm or belittle them. When wise leaders do not compete, the people are less likely to compete with them.